Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Pay and verifying the account you'll use. Once done, make sure the recharge code is at hand. You'll need to enter it exactly. Tap the Pay or Recharge section to begin. Do this now. If prompted, select the wallet or linked bank card as your payment source, because Google Pay uses that to validate transactions. This step gets you into the flow. Don't skip confirming connectivity and the active payment method. Now you enter the recharge code into the redeem field and double-check every character, because a single-digit mistake can fail the redemption. After you paste or type the code, review the displayed amount and the recipient line. Make sure it matches the plan or phone number. Once it looks right, tap Confirm or Redeem. Google Pay will validate the code against the issuer. If verification takes a moment, wait. It's communicating with the provider to apply the balance. Finish by viewing the confirmation page. You'll see a success message and a transaction ID. Save that. Then immediately confirm the credited amount in your carrier app or account, because verification ensures the recharge went through. If you don't see credit, wait a few minutes and refresh. Sometimes networks lag. If an error persists, retry the steps once more, and if still unresolved, contact the voucher issuer with the transaction ID so they can investigate. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.